look back here at the Cave of Science, and we're going to look at some cloud types. We're not going to get real detailed in these cloud types, but you should recognize the general cloud types. Cloud types that you'll see quite often, even around here. Nice picture of the Rockies here, Snake River in the foreground, out in the great state of Wyoming. Low-level clouds are stratus. They're pretty much gray. They cover the entire sky. Quite often you don't see any precipitation from these clouds. Every once in a while you might see some drizzle. Kind of boring, but we get during the winter around here quite a bit. Here's a picture of a stratus cloud covering the entire sky. Actually, all the pictures I took on this are of my own. This is licking off the off the front yard, and this gray covering the entire sky. Nimbostratus clouds are the real dark gray, and these are the ones we get precipitation from. One thing you should recognize is Nimbo means a rainmaker. So anytime you have Nimbo as the prefix, you can associate those clouds with rain. And here's one. It's like the road's a little bit wet. Must have just got done with some precipitation. And this is West River Drive going on to 131 South in Comstock Park. The next mid-level clouds are called alto. If you're in the choir, you have the sopranos, the altos, and the bass, or alto sax, and about 2,000, 7,000 meters. And these are your mid-level clouds. Altostratus, a little bit higher up. Excuse me. They cover the entire sky. You can see through these if the sun or the moon's behind them. And these high-level clouds also form ahead of storms that will give you some precip. Here's a picture of Altostratus, a little bit higher up, and looking along 131 here. Altocumulus, middle level. These are these puffy ones. Quite often you'll see these on during the summer as they start popping up. Quite often I like to refer to these as cotton balls also. And you can see start to get a little gray on the bottom there, a little more condensation taking place, and they look like cotton balls that fill in the sky. Upper level clouds are cirrus, and these are very, very high, 6,000 meters, and these are typically formed of ice crystals. And when you see cirrus clouds, you usually get some pretty nice weather. And you can see these cirrus clouds here. Sometimes cirrus referred to as mare's tails, and quite often this is the upper level. The jet stream will be pushing these cirrus clouds along. The cirrus clouds are usually, if you look at them, they flow from west to east. Cirrocumulus, small rounded white puffs, and sometimes you'll get these referred to as a mackerel sky because they look like the scales of fish. This picture was actually taken in Tucson, Arizona. Cirrostratus, and again, thin, high-level clouds, and the sun or the moon can be seen through them. This picture was actually taken in Florida, in the Panhandle of Florida. Vertical development. These are the Cumulonimbus, the thunderstorm clouds, and they can rise upwards. It says 39,000 feet here, but there's reported they can get up to 50,000 feet. Lots of energy, again, from that condensation of water, releasing that latent energy. These are your storms. These are the ones that always you see during the summer, and they're really quite impressive. And here's a picture of one here taken in Wyoming. Classical anvil shape, this Cumulonimbus here. And boy, this is just a great picture of one here. And we'll finish this up with some pictures of some Cumulonimbus. The top two were taken in near St. Petersburg Beach in Florida, and these are some Cumulonimbus. They grow very, very high, very, very rapidly. If you remember from Florida, you have quite a bit of convergence inland. It was interesting looking at those clouds. You could see lightning here, thunder inland, but the shore itself along the beach was nice and sunny. The bottom one was taken. That was taken in Utah. And what's kind of interesting about this one is, to me, I don't know, it looks like two bears shaking hands or something like that. Well, that's our short look at cloud type. As long as you know the general types, you'll be fine. Till next time.